When it's time to remodel or upgrade your home, you need to call someone you can trust. You need to call KAZ.
KAZ Brothers is trustworthy, reliable, honest.
They've been great from start to finish. No problems.
And I wouldn't pass them up for the world. If I had to tell somebody who needed work done, I would say go to KAZ Brothers. They're going to do the best job.
Is reading your heating bill like reading a horror story? Call the guys at KAZ to upgrade your insulation. Nothing adds more security and curb appeal to your home like a new Raynor Garage Door from KAZ Raynor Doors of Western New York.
KAZ Brothers has been a great group of people to work with from a professional level, from a craftsmanship level. Their commitment to quality and value, just everything was top shelf. We're very, very happy. They've helped increase the value of our house through their work and through their craftsmanship.